This is the Woodford 50HF brass vacuum breaker. It does fit many different Woodford models, but just an example of a couple, the 26, 76, and 79 faucets. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the package here. Now it should come with this little rubber O-ring here at the bottom of these threads, as well as this plastic body as well. We'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of it. We'll start with a total length. We've got a total length of right above 2.5 inches. And then we'll get an outer diameter here with the side with the O-ring. That measures right at 3/4 of an inch. And then we'll also get an outer diameter here with that plastic body. That also measures right at 3/4 of an inch. Yeah, once again, this is the Woodford 50HF brass vacuum breaker.